testimony test at 225 words per minute. I am the questioning attorney.
And I am the witness.
Ready? Good afternoon, sir. Can you tell me if this is the first accident you've been involved in that has led to a lawsuit?
As far as I know, it is.
Before the date of this accident, did you ever suffer any kind of injury while operating a motorcycle?
I have been down a couple of times.
Were you injured on those occasions?
I haven't been injured on a bike prior to this time.
So is it your testimony that nothing ever happened that caused injuries to you, even though your motorcycle did turn over a couple of times?
Yes, that's right.
Can you state approximately when the motorcycle turned over in the past?
I could tell you the incident, but I couldn't give you a specific date.
All right. If you would, please tell us about it. Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard all of the evidence you are going to hear in this case. You have heard all the arguments from lawyers. Now I am going to instruct you on what the law is that applies, and you'll begin your final duty and responsibility in this case. You will deliberate over the facts and the evidence and render a fair and impartial verdict based upon the evidence and the law that is applicable in this case. Let me remind you of a couple of things that I told you at the beginning of the case. First of all, any rulings that I have made during the course of these proceedings are based upon the laws of evidence.
I'm going to play this audio, and I want you to write on your laptop or keyboard or QWERTY keyboard and see if you can keep up. I'm going to be writing on my machine to this audio, and I know that I'll be able to keep up, and you'll see why we don't use QWERTY keyboards.
Ready? Good afternoon, sir. I'm going to be asking you a few questions regarding your background, beginning with your name.
My name is David Solo.
Am I correct in that you are now employed as a truck driver, Mr. Solo?
Yes, that's right.
Are you working for a truck company, or are you an independent contractor?
I have my own business.
On the morning of January 21, were you driving a truck in connection with that business?
Yes, I was.
Can you tell us what type of truck you were operating?
It was a large dump truck, ma'am.
Were you hauling a load of machine parts in that dump truck on January 21?
Yes, that was what I was hauling.
Were you involved in an accident while hauling that load of machine parts?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a testimony test at 200 words per minute. I am the questioning attorney.
And I am the witness.
Ready? Good afternoon, officer. Would you state your name and address for the record, please?
Officer Charles for short, and my address is 136 Oak Meadows Drive.
How old are you, officer?
I'm 29 years old.
Did you graduate from school here in this area?
No, ma'am.
Where did you attend high school?
I was living with my parents in Texas at that time.
What high school did you graduate from?
Dallas Central High in 2001.
Have you had any education after graduation from high school?
I have 3 years of college, but did not obtain a degree